Good day and welcome. It's a cloudy start to the day along the southeast coast after a weak front brushed past this morning. 3, 2, 1. Good day and welcome. As a weak front brushes past the southeast coast this morning, we could see a bit of drizzle in the area. It's also going to be cloudy at first over the eastern parts of South Africa, with cool weather predicted for the Highveld this afternoon. Isolated thunderstorms could develop later on in northwestern Gauteng, but it's going to be a fine and dry day in the west, with bergwind conditions causing high daytime temperatures along the west coast. Here's our rain forecast for today. Isolated thunder showers later on in northwestern Gauteng. We're keeping the forecast for the Free State dry, with rain mainly in the morning along the east coast and adjacent interior, and a very low risk of rain today in the low veld. Daytime temperatures high in the west up to 36 in Vredendal, 31 degrees in Uppington, Cape Town pleasantly warm at 27, mid-20s between George and East London, and it's going to be warmer in KwaZulu-Natal than on Thursday, with a maximum of 26 in Durban and 25 degrees in Pietermaritzburg. Still cool in Bethlehem with a high of 23, Pretoria at a maximum of 24 degrees, and Bombela with a high of 22. Expect bergwinds today along the west coast, especially in the morning between Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay. Easterly winds up to 25 kilometers per hour. There's an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters, and as the day progresses, onshore winds will develop with speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. Along the southwest coast, beautiful conditions, very light and variable winds in the forecast, speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour, with a southwesterly swell of 1.5 meters. Along the south coast, slightly stronger winds, especially towards Algoa Bay, where wind speeds can reach 30 kilometers per hour. There's an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters as well, and high tide is expected shortly before 2:30. For the east coast, a bit of rain possible at first. Fresh winds in the vicinity of Richards Bay. There's an open ocean swell of only 1 meter, and onshore winds in the vicinity of East London with wind speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com